much of a... Nah, it's alright.
Don't come near me, I don't want to be in the photo.
Are you filming them?
Yeah. See if we can get Chrissy's special move. Get him, Tess! You see him off?
Are you videoing them?
I'll put it on YouTube. Oh, Bruno's got the move on there, look. Chrissy, you gonna surrender? Bruno's fully got you there. Chrissy's really tired, isn't he? Oh, that's the signal end of the round and Bruno didn't listen. Get him, Tess!